Good morning, students. I am your botany teacher, Dr Shrabani Mukherjee from Marwari College. Today the chapter is same, reproduction in organisms. Our topic is events of sexual reproduction. In my previous lecture, that is lecture 5, you have already studied about the sexual reproduction. Now the events of sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, there is 3 common events. These are pre-fertilization events, fertilization, then post-fertilization events. Now, what happened in pre-fertilization events? All events which takes place before fertilization are pre-fertilization events. They include number 1 is gametogenesis and number 2 is transfer of gametes. In number 1, that is gametogenesis. What is gametogenesis? It is the process of formation of two types of gametes, male gamete or sperm and female gamete, that is ovum. Students, you have already know that gametes are important for sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, gametes must produced by primary sex organs or by the process of meiosis. In male, testis produces sperm and ova are produced by female in ovaries. And you know that gametes are always haploid cells. In human sperm, in human, sperm is male gamete, small, motile, with head, neck, middle piece and tail. The female gamete is ova, which is a large and non-motile. These gametes are called anisogametes. Why they are called anisogametes? Because these two gametes are always morphologically dissimilar. One is small and another is large. One is motile, another is static. Hence they are called anisogametes. Iso means similar, but they are not similar. In case of algae, that is a lower plant, you know, Chlamydomonas, as for example, you can see that two gametes are small and motile. Hence, they are isogametes. That means the gametes which are same in their morphology, they are called isogametes. Sexuality in organism. And what is sexuality? In case of plants, in higher plants, flower is the reproductive structure. When both male and female reproductive parts, stamen and pistil, are present in same flower, it is called bisexual flower. When they are present in different flower, they are called unisexual. Examples are papaya, cucurbits and coconut. Then what is monoecious and what is dioecious? The term monoecious means a flower which contain male and female both reproductive organs, that is stamen and pistil, are present in same flower. It is called monoecious. And what is dioecious? When a flower contains only stamen, then it is called staminate flower, And when the flower which contain pistil, it is called pistillate flower. And these flowers are called dioecious. That means the flower which contain only one type of sex is called dioecious flower. In case of animals, what happened? Male and female are always different. This is called sexual dimorphism. Organisms contain only one sex, either male or female. Then they are called unisexual, and the process is called sexual dimorphism. Hermaphrodites. In case of many animals which bear both sex organs, testes and ovaries, within single organism is called hermaphrodite. Examples are earthworm, tapeworm, leech, sponges, etc. Types of cell division during gamete formation. As you know, students, that gametes are always haploid in number. Thus, in case of diploid parents, gametes are produced by meiosis or reduction division. But in case of haploid parents, gametes are produced by mitosis. And what is meiocytes? The term meiocyte means a gamete mother cell. What is gamete mother cell? The mother cell of gamete, which is always diploid, undergo meiosis to produce a haploid gamete. That cell is called meiocytes. Then the stage occurs is transfer of gametes. When gametes are produced by gametogenesis, they must be brought together for the process of syngamy or fusion. In majority, we can see that male gametes is small and motile, called microgamete. Female gamete is large and non-motile, called macrogametes. So gametes are of two types. One is small motile, called microgametes, that is always male, and female gamete is always static, non-motile and large. Male gamete must require a medium for its smooth movement towards female gamete. All the male gametes produced do not reach the ovum. Hence, male gametes are produced large in number. In flowering plants, male gametes are carried by pollen grains to the female gamete present in ovary. This is called pollination of the flower. After pollination, pollen grains germinate on stigma and pollen tube carrying male gametes passes through style and enter inside the ovule for fertilization of the egg. In animal, gamete transfer takes place by copulation or mating mechanism between male and female organisms. Students, here you can see that a flower which contains a female reproductive system and a male reproductive system, The female system contains stigma, style, and ovary. The male system contains the anther. Pollen grains are present on the anther. Now, here is two flowers. If anther of this flower transfer to the stigma of the same flower, then it is called self-pollination. Here, the pollen grain germinate to form two male gametes which passes through style and enter into the ovule by this pathway. Another flower which present beside this flower also have anther stigma, but the pollen grains transfer from the anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower, then it is called cross pollination. So, students, in this topic, we have only completed, that is pre-fertilization events. In our next topic, we will study about fertilization and post-fertilization events. But before that, you have to study about these all events which I have given in this lecture. Thank you, students.